Hold on tight, here come the top 10 fastest bikes on the planet. Kicking things off at number 10, the Aprilia RSV 41100 factory rockets to 199 miles per hour, powered by a V4 engine. Number 9, the Suzuki Hayabusa, an icon, hits 194 miles per hour with 197 horsepower. At 8, the BMW S1000RR races to 200 miles per hour, boasting cutting-edge tech. Number 7, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R zooms at 208 N, pure muscle. In 6th place, the Ducati Panigale V4R packs 221 horses, reaching 199 miles per hour. Halfway there, number 5 is the Lightning LS 218, the fastest electric bike, at 218 miles per hour. Number 4, the Honda CBR 1100 XX Super Blackbird, flies at 190 miles per hour, known for smooth speed. Top 3 time. Number 3, the MTT Turbine Superbike Y2K with a jet engine, blazes at 227 miles per hour. Runner-up, the Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa again, at 248 miles per hour, unrivaled legacy. And the fastest, the Dodge Tomahawk, a wild concept bike, claims 350 miles per hour. Which one would you ride first? Hit like, subscribe, and tell us your dream bike below.